Hey, hello, beautiful brother. Meet again with me, Python engineer, or polyglot engineer. I'm sorry, not Python, polyglot engineer. Okay, in here we got a question, and here like permutation. I already done this. So the question is array 1, 2, 3, and you want to change array into possible combination of all. So in here I create a scratch map, right? The temporary, we need to make a temporary 0 or maybe permutation, right? Permutation, and we're going to iterate every one of them. If there is no, what we call it, if 1, 2, 3 is already doesn't exist in permutation, we're going to add it, and we're going to change the order and check again, and that's where we'll repeat. For this, is going to be O n multiplied by O n factorial, y n factorial, because if you see, it's some kind of, it can be created as some kind of tree in here, like 1, 2, 3 for the combination, right? But it only takes the one that has length of 3 in here. Okay, so if I have 3, there will be one that in here is combination 1 combination, 2 combination, 3 combination, 4 combination, 5 combination, 6 combination, 7, 8. So in there is going to be like 3.2.1, right? So it's gonna be about 6 combination because we don't take the, what do you call it, the space one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 3 is going to have to also, right? In here it's going to be, we call it such as 3 in here, and the 3 will be combined by 2, and I'm sorry, by 2 and also 1 in here, and in this you're going to have 1 and 0 space like this, right? And also maybe I'm going to give you 2 in here and also space. Okay, so it's going to be 6, right? 6 factorial. It means that 3 factorial is 6. Is all possible combination is you have 6 this and will be point by 3. So actually you have 18, right? 18 combination in here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, right? So this will be 12, right? And n factorial. N factorial is going to be, I'm sorry, should be like, correct me if I'm wrong, should be like 6. So this is like 6. What is it? Combination 6 multiplied by 2. Okay, this is the things that we need. We're going to create a function which is swap the array. So I'm going to say I need a permutation here. It's going to be 0, and it's going to be empty array, and I need some helper. Maybe we can call it permutation helper, right? Okay, permutation helper in here. I'm going to have a 0 array and also permutation. And after all it's done, going to just return permutation. Just copy this one, so you don't have to worry about the typo. I'm going to just copy this one too, but I'm going to change array into R. I think that more easier, right? More small, and E. I'm going to check whether if the first one we're going to append it into this append it if certain what they call it, certain condition is met, like if I is same as length of the array minus 1, we're going to permutation, we're going to go to append this one, right? Permutation dot append, okay, of array and this one. Okay, else what we're going to do, we're going to iterate this. We're going to say j maybe, in the range of we're going to say I to length of array. Okay, if that happens, we need to swap the array ej, right? Maybe we can create a swap for this. If you're using a Python, you can just do this directly like this, because I want to make this can be converted to another language. It's better if you do this, right? So you know the concept. Not if you going to start forward like one line, that's fine. But sometimes you forgot that in other language you cannot do that. Okay. In here we're going to just copy this one and then say okay. After this we're going to +1. Remember, if you don't +1, it's going to be loop forever, right? Because the I is going to be still in there. After you change all of this, you're going to swap again. And let's see, run the code. Okay, all is passed. And submit the code. All is passed. Okay. And we're going to go to the LeetCode in here. That's same, the medium, right? Yeah, it's medium code. And we just need to copy this one, right? Just copy this and put that into here, maybe, right? Yeah, just put this, right? But don't forget you have to go with self, right? This is num, so copy this one, go to num, going to the say self in here, and all of this just put it in the class. You can say this, and you have to call all others with self. Just copy this self one, right? Self this, just copy this one, and in here you just add self in front of this one and self in front of this one. Okay, let's see. Then we're going to check this one, right? Run code. Okay, accepted, and we're going to submit this one. Okay. If you get a little confused about what happened, I already create some kind of, what do you call it? You can say the tracker, right? You can see what happened in here. So if I just, I'm just go to my, okay, just go to my static case in here, permutation, right? If you run this one, right, you're gonna see what that function do. So at first time it will call about 3 times in here. The I is 0, is going to change it to 1 and 2, and it's going to out of this. And after that it's going to put 1, 2, 3 inside the temporary. It's going to just, what they call it, just cycle through until it meet another, that 1, 3, 2, and it put into the same permutation and others. You can see this. I will attach this in my in my GitHub, and also in my description. In the description you can see, and you can try it for yourself. Okay, thank you.